She said she bought them another time.
She did not. I watched her put the purse down, shoved it in the purse, zipped it up, put the hanger there.
So, at this time you're under arrest for retail theft, okay? Or
No, I never do. I always get taken advantage of.
In Wichita, Kansas, Officer Lamb responded to a retail theft report at Hibbett Sports. Subject Janelle Adams was stopped after a store employee witnessed her conceal Nike sweatpants worth $70. The officer requested consent to search Adams' belongings. Under the Fourth Amendment, consent must be freely given. His phrasing as a request, not a command, satisfied the standard established in Schneckloff v. Bustamante. Adams denied taking anything. The officer requested identification and ran a records check. Under Terry v. Ohio, reasonable articulable suspicion justifies an investigative stop. Here provided by the employee's direct eyewitness report.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine. You coming from Hibbett Sports?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you happen to steal anything while you're in Hibbett Sports?
No.
May I search your stuff to make sure that you didn't take anything from Hibbett Sports?
I mean, I didn't steal anything, so I don't know why you have to search.
To see if that's accurate or not? They're advising that you had taken some items. If it's nothing major, then it's not that big a deal. But especially in today's climate.
Yeah, no.
So there's nothing in there.
No.
Okay. So all right. So you got your ID with you?
Yeah.
May I see it, please?
Yeah. Oh, it's in my purse. Or in my car.
Hold up.
Grab it.
Yep.
Grab it out of my car.
Is somebody else with you?
No, I'm by myself.
Okay. Which car?
The black car.
A couple black cars.
The dirty one.
The little Chevy.
Cruise, yeah.
Okay. Just walk over there.
Yeah.
On the passenger side, please.
Yeah.
Edward Lincoln 58932. Edward Lincoln 58932. Go ahead. So those items that are under your arm, those didn't just come from Hibbett's?
No, I've had these.
You've had those?
Yeah.
What is that?
They're just sweatpants.
Sweatpants?
Yeah.
What's the tag on there?
There's no price tag. I've had them.
Standard fit high rise?
Yeah.
Where did those come from?
I've had them with me.
But where did you get them from whenever you initially
Hibbett
got
Sports.
them? Oh, okay.
And I don't steal. So if I need to
Okay.
get in trouble, I need to get in trouble.
Okay.
I don't steal shit. Never have I stolen shit.
Okay. But this may very well be the thing that they're questioning?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Just give my keys, give me my ID.
Have you been arrested here before?
No, I've never stolen.
Have you been arrested in Litchfield before?
No.
Sure.
Yes, positive.
What's your name?
Janelle Adams.
Look familiar.
Well, I don't know where my keys are now. I'm freaked out.
Ten four. Yeah, I was just seeing if your DL was in there.
Yeah. It's in this.
Where is he?
I'm not having much luck.
You want me to go talk to them?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's fine. Can't find it?
No.
It's not in your purse?
No.
you give a 27 response with that 28?
Montgomery 141. Did a 27 have to come with that registration? What's your middle initial?
I
10-4. Okay. Are you still looking for your ID, or are you done?
yeah. I know I have my ID. Now.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's walk over here by the squads.
Yeah.
You need to set your purse there on the hood. You don't have anything on you I need to know about, do you? Drugs, guns, knives,
God,
bombs, weapons,
no.
nothing like that? No needles, no open razor blades?
Don't do any of that.
Put your keys in there. I'm just going to pat you down real quick, make sure you don't have anything. Okay, do me a favor. I'm going to have you have a seat in here. Whoop,
Okay.
maybe.
Hi there.
This thing you're looking for.
Okay.
What's
going on?
Pants on her?
What's that?
Does she have the pants on her?
What pants?
They're these. She lost the tag and the hanger. They're size large and they're these here. That's what she should have had. I don't know if she got something else.
That's what she has. Standard fit high rise, that's them. She said she bought them another time.
She did not. I watched her put them in her bag.
Okay. We've got her, I think the officer, Officer Lamb is handling this. He probably wants to talk to you. I'm going to take this out there with me.
Did they say what she took?
She said she left the hanger and the price tag, and she walked me over to the pants rack, and that's what she's got, the standard high rise,
Okay.
$70.
Okay. Are they wanting to pursue charges for retail theft? Or they just want the product back or what?
Okay. What are you looking to have done here?
Banned for sure, but I don't know if he wants to, if we press charges or what we do.
Okay.
She has the pants on her. They stopped her. What do we do? You want to press charges? What do we do? Okay. He's gonna call our loss prevention real quick.
Okay.
I've never gotten product back before. It's a new one.
I think she was on her way back here. Had she made it out to her car yet?
I didn't see her with the car. I went out there to vape, and she was walking down that way.
Okay.
And that's when you guys grabbed her. I watched her do it. She was over here, hunched down, shoved it in the purse, zipped it up, put the hanger there. I found the tag there, and she walked around, and then I went back to call, and she walked out.
Okay.
Hello? Press charges? Yes, go to press charges.
Okay. Management wants to pursue charges.
They do? Okay. Standard high-rise fit. That's what that says as well?
They're hanging right over there.
Okay.
Nike?
Yes.
That's them.
Okay. Well, we'll grab a picture of it, yeah. Move shit. Did you see all the other stuff in her car?
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah. Kind of new looking stuff.
And she didn't want that door open for very long. So she was over there by the rack. Squatted down, stuffed with the purse, started walking around.
Okay. Yep. $70. I guess if they could give me a receipt, that'd be great. Are you guys wanting this back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
She advises that she had that stuff with her when she came in, so.
I watched her squat down and put it in her purse. So.
You watched her put it in her purse?
Yeah.
Okay. And band as well? Okay.
Receipt, like a training receipt for the value of that,
Okay.
or however you do that.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
I'm gonna run out here to my
Yeah,
car.
of course.
If you want to bring that out to me, or I'll come in when you're done with that.
Thanks.
The officer noticed sweatpants under Adams's arm, labeled Standard Fit High Rise, matching the employee's description exactly. The missing price tag and hanger further corroborated the account and moved toward establishing probable cause. Prior to placing Adams in the patrol vehicle, the officer conducted a lawful pat-down, asking about weapons and contraband. Under incident to arrest doctrine from Arizona versus Gant, such searches are permitted when probable cause exists. The store employee gave a detailed eyewitness account. She watched Adams squat, stuff the pants into her purse, zip it, remove the hanger, and walk out. Adams was still on the premises when officers arrived to make the stop. This eyewitness account, combined with recovery of the described item, established probable cause under Kansas statutes annotated Section 21-5801. Theft of property under $1,500 is a Class A misdemeanor. Store management confirmed they wished to press charges. The $70 sweatpants were photographed as evidence and returned to the store. A trespass ban against Adams was also issued by management at this stage. A second officer noted new-looking items visible in Adams' vehicle. She resisted the door being open. Absent independent probable cause or a warrant, those items could not legally support additional charges under the Fourth Amendment.
Okay. So, at this time you're under arrest for retail theft, okay? You get your hands, put them out in front of you there. I'm going to cuff you up front just to make your life a little bit easier, okay?
Yep.
Turn your wrist like that. Thank you. I'm going to double lock those so they don't clamp down on you by accident. I didn't miss anything on your person or anything, right?
No.
Okay. So, just so you're aware, they watched you put that in your purse. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court or other proceedings. You have the right to an attorney. You have the right to have one present with you before any questioning if you wish. You can't afford one but he appointed to you for even a cost to you before questioning if you wish. Okay, I'm having a hard time with this. And yeah, I already got it. Okay. You don't have to speak to me or answer any questions, and you can stop at any time. You understand that? Ma'am?
What?
You understand your rights? You know what your rights are?
No, I never do. I always get taken advantage of. How can I help you?
Okay. So, I'm just advising you of your rights.
And what is that, sir?
You have the right to remain silent. Okay? You understand that?
Yep.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court or other proceedings. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
You have the right to an attorney. You have the right to have an attorney with you before any questioning if you wish. If you cannot afford an attorney, want to be appointed to you free of any cost before it if you wish. You understand?
Yep.
Okay.
Is that what she's got there? You ask her any questions?
Not really. I just told her so that they watched you put it in your purse, so you're under arrest for retail theft. But she didn't really say anything.
Are you going to do anything about her suspension?
I mean, I didn't see her driving. I wouldn't even know that car was there.
Thank you much. Yeah, it's going to be the 70.
We put that in the box.
Yep. Okay. I'll have that done so you can open up your case and print it out.
141, go ahead.
Female 1095.
Transfer.
Adams was placed under arrest for retail theft. The officer handcuffed her in front, a measured decision reflecting proportional use of force, consistent with the Graham versus Connor standard of reasonableness under the circumstances. Miranda warnings were administered pursuant to Miranda versus Arizona. Adams expressed confusion, so the officer reread all rights clearly. This diligence ensured full legal compliance and protected the evidentiary integrity of the arrest. Officer Lamb receives a B+. His stop was legally supported, consent properly sought, and Miranda correctly administered. Handcuffing in front showed professionalism. Restraint regarding the vehicle contents showed sound legal judgment. Janelle Adams receives a C. She denied the allegation despite a detailed eyewitness account. She did not physically resist, preventing escalation. However, invoking her right to counsel immediately would have been the wiser legal choice. The store employee receives an A-. Her account was specific, sequential, and corroborated by the recovered item. Promptly notifying management and law enforcement made a clean, legally sound arrest possible without ambiguity. Lesson learned. Eyewitness testimony combined with physical evidence is a powerful foundation for probable cause. When stopped, invoking your right to remain silent and requesting counsel early is always the legally sound approach.